Hey, it's Gracie with WTI. If you're watching this video, that means you need to move your mattress from one place to the next. Well, let me just stop you before you do anything else. You guys need to get one of these mattress cover bags from ELCAMO. I'm telling you, these have truly been the biggest help in our move. If you've ever moved a mattress before, you know how awkward it can be because typically there are no handles on the mattress. So it's really hard to find a good grip. And then on top of that, you may have to set the mattress down several times to readjust your grip. So that's where these bags come in so handy. They're made out of a heavy-duty, thick Tarp material, and they have these strong handles on each side, which made it so easy for us to take the mattress out of the house and load it on the trailer. It was really dark and cold on the night that we moved the mattresses, so I was beyond thankful for these bags. Before I found these bags, I used to look for old sheets and old blankets to really help cover and protect the mattress from the trailer or the tie downs, but now I don't have to worry about a thing. It has a double zipper and will keep your mattress nice and secure. We got the queen size, which fit our mattress perfectly, and it even had some extra space in there that we used to pack some blankets and some throw pillows in there as well. So if you're having to store your mattress away for a long time, you can be fully confident that these bags will completely protect your mattress from top to bottom, and that means you don't have to worry about any kind of dust or bugs or mice getting inside the bag while it's in storage. So these bags are a must if you're moving, but that's just my point of view.